I know, you're thinking, didn't we just see a Delta 737-200? And the answer is yes, you did. But that was a slightly different aircraft with a slightly different registration number. But don't worry, the overall history is very different. Today's aircraft is the 1/400 Scale Aeroclassics Delta Express 737-232, wearing the Delta Express variation of the classic Delta Widget livery from the 1970s to the late 1990s. Aeroclassics produced this aircraft in 2023. The aircraft was powered by two Pratt Whitney JT8D low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 16,400 pounds force or 73 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 136 passengers, depending on class arrangement and layout, but this tends to max out at 130 in a one-class layout. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 473 knots, or 876 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 2,600 nautical miles, or about 4,800 kilometers. Originally, this 737-232 was delivered to Delta Airlines on November 10th of 1983, with a registration of November 302DL. Initially, this aircraft worked for the mainline Delta Airlines service, wearing the classic Delta Widget colors from the 1970s, as seen in the pictures being shown here. The year 1998 would see the aircraft transfer over to the short-lived Delta Express service, primarily serving the American Northeast Metroplex of Washington, D.C., Boston, and New York City. The only changes to the livery was the addition of a light blue Express to the Delta title above the forward passenger windows. Song Airlines came online in 2003, and with their all 757 service aircraft, all the Delta Express 737-200s were reverted back to mainline service within Delta. The opportunity was taken to update the aircraft's livery to the Colors in Motion livery, thus being one of the rare Delta aircraft of that period to completely skip past the Ron Allen Landor livery of the late 1990s. The aircraft was briefly placed in storage in 2006 to await a new operator. That new operator arrived in 2008 when it was acquired by Inuit-owned Canadian North Airlines for a service throughout the nation of Canada with a focus on the far northern reaches. The aircraft received a new registration of C-GCNV and a new livery of white and blue with a polar bear on the tail, as seen here. After service in the far north, the aircraft was retired from service and placed into storage in 2015. All records indicate that in early 2023, she is still in storage at Yellowknife Airport, providing parts for her siblings and cousins, still working for Canadian North Airlines. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. And as always, thank you, and please subscribe if you would like to. This channel survives with you, the viewers' ongoing support. The more you like my videos, helps me get more views, and more views bring in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.